All right, guys, got my 2007 GMC 2500 HD. Got some new rear cab mounts to install today. So part numbers right here. Now these are the hydraulic cab mounts that are for the generation after this truck, so the 07.5 and up. So this is a popular upgrade for this older body style. It's supposed to improve the ride, and if you notice, these body lines don't quite match up. And I remember when I bought this new, I was looking at this like, well, it's just GM quality, but so that should improve this. I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape though, and we'll measure the before and after just to get an idea of what it does. And this passenger side is worse. Go around to the driver's side, check that out. All right, so here's the driver's side. To me, this seems a little bit better. And we'll go ahead and put some tape on. All right, I put tape on both sides. Get an idea of just how far it's off. Okay, so this is what it looks like underneath. I have step bars on here, so that's why this bracket is here. That supports the step bar, and then there's this little brace here. All right, I took the step bar brace out. Now let's go ahead and get this rear bolt out. It's a 21 millimeter. There's this bushing here. And there's the mount. All right, we're on the driver's side. Got both back bolts out, got the other four loosened. We got a floor jack here with some wood to jack up the back of the cab. We'll jack it up slowly. You can already see there's a little bit of a gap up there. Alright, there's enough room now to sneak that out. So here are the two side by side. You can see the old one's a lot smaller. Looks like it's just a rubber. So this one's a lot bigger. So we'll go ahead and put this one in. Alright, wouldn't hurt to spray a little fluid film up in here while you got it out. Okay, I'll go ahead and put the new one in. All right, so there's about a 1/2 inch gap up here. I'm gonna go ahead and let the jack down just so it's touching, then we'll go ahead and put on the lower washer and this rubber boot, and we'll put the bolt through. Okay, we got some fluid film on these threads. Got it through the step bar. Now we're ready to go back up. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave it loose for now, and we'll go ahead and get the other side done. Okay, got the 6 bolts snugged up, and we're going to go ahead and torque those to 75 foot-pounds. That's what it is for this model year, 2007. Your truck may be different, so look that up. All right, all the bolts are torqued. Really not that bad of a job, but this truck's never seen salt, so that helps. But I am very impressed with how these body lines turned out. Check that out. It's like almost perfect now. Before, I would say it's at least a ½ inch off, so that'll help up here too. Let's go check the driver's side. This one's good too. Almost perfect. All right, let's take it for a test drive. All right, put on a few miles already, and I gotta say, I can definitely tell it is smoother ride. In the mirror too, you can see the body line match up better. I would say it's definite improvement. I think it's worthwhile. And I just did the 2 back ones, so it's kind of a known issue with these crew cabs. I'll put a link in the description for these cab mounts. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.